Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn a bit vocabulary. So please open your eyes and open very big your ears and please help me, okay? You have to repeat the words I say. So, hot, cold,
Cold.
bucket,
Bucket.
spade,
Spade.
raveline,
Gravity.
armbands,
Armband.
swimming cup,
Swimming cup.
goggles.
Goggles.
What can you see here? Oh, there are some ravelins here. Can you please help me to count them? How many ravelins can you see here? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
and 4. Very good. There are 4 ravelins. Okay, can you please tell me what color are these 4 ravelins? Red,
Red.
blue,
Blue.
green,
Green.
and yellow. Very good. Wow, what is this? This is the beach. Okay, what can you see in this beach? I can see one mommy, one daddy, one sister, and one brother. So there are 4 people here. Wow, can you see this? I can see a spade. How many spades can you see here?
1.
1 spade, very good. Oh, I can see a bucket here. How many buckets can you see here?
3.
1, 2, and 3 buckets. Okay, can you please tell me what color are the buckets? Green,
Green.
blue,
Blue.
and red. Very good. Oh, look, there is a ball here. How many balls can you see here?
2.
1 and 2. Very good. This picture is full of people and toys.
Boom.
What's happened with this picture? Oh, this beach is empty.
Empty.
There's no one here and there are no toys here. No people and no toys. So, which beach do you prefer? Do you prefer the full of people and full of toys beach or the empty beach? Yes, very good. You prefer the full beach. Very good. You did it so well. See you.
Wow.